Today marks 6 years for me being vegan. Here's how it started. A while back I watched a documentary called Forks Over Knives, and it opened my eyes to plant-based nutrition. So in 2012, 40 days before Easter, I gave up all animal products for Lent because that's what Greeks do. Essentially, I went plant-based, which turned into me going vegan after I watched a documentary called Earthlings. Then I decided to turn my lifestyle into a career by pursuing nutrition and becoming a YouTuber. I was so moved with what I was learning. I wanted to do all that I could to let people know that you could prevent and reverse the leading causes of death, that you don't have to eat animals in order to live, and that it's more sustainable to eat a whole food plant-based diet. Each moment is a gift that I have my health and that I don't have to go against my conscience. When it comes to this lifestyle, education is huge, but what I've learned in the past 6 years is that the how is just as important as the why. When I work with clients, most people tend to understand that a plant-based diet is healthy, but will ask me, okay, well, what do I eat? So that is why I have compiled 25 of my favorite vegan recipes that I make and eat on a daily basis, basically giving you insight on what a nutritionist eats. All the recipes are free of animal products and vegetable oils, and most are gluten-free. They're also super simple and easy to make. That's my whole thing, is keeping it simple and convenient. So if you're not that experienced in the kitchen, no worries. Also, no fancy ingredients here that you wouldn't be able to find at your local supermarket. My goal with this book is to show people how simple, easy, and convenient it is to eat a whole food plant-based diet. So check out the link down below if you're interested. It's 25% off for the next 48 hours if you use the code 6years. If you end up making any of the recipes and post a photo of them on social media, be sure to tag me at Bananiac so I can check out your awesome goodness. Thanks everyone for your support. Bon appetit. I'll see you in the next video.